So the big picture for this lesson is surface area and volume of complex shapes. So what you want to do is you want to look at a complex shape and kind of mentally divide it into simple pieces. So for example, looking at this one, it looks like there's a triangular prism on the top, and then underneath that is a rectangular prism. So I can find each separately, then combine them together to get the total. So looking at the surface area, there's an interesting part here because there's like an overlap right here. So you wouldn't count this part in the surface area. So it looks like this is 6 feet. And the whole length is 12 feet, so that means this part is 6 feet. Now, are there any other pieces that I can't easily tell what's going on? Well, this rectangle on the front, 4 by 6, it's the same in the back, so 4 and then 6. What about this triangle here? Well, this whole distance is 6, so that's the base of the triangle. Now, what about this here? What about this measurement? Well, if the base going across the bottom of the triangle is 6, then let's split it up into 2 triangles. This half would be 3, and this would be 4. And then using the Pythagorean triple, this would be 5. So both of these measures are 5 feet. So that's the same thing over here too. Okay, so see what I've been doing? I've been trying to identify all the measurements that I didn't know. So then you just find the area of each surface and add them together. So I would find this front one here, and the bottom, and each side, and then this half of the top. And then I would find these other pieces. Then I would do the pieces on the triangle prism. So there's a triangle on the front here, and then in the back. And then there are 2 sides, kind of like a roof. You would do those 2 sides, and then that's it. Now I'm not going to do the entire calculation for you for the surface area, but that's how you would approach it. And then for the volume, that's a little bit more straightforward because you just have 2 pieces stacked on top. So you'd find the volume of the rectangular prism on the bottom and the volume of the triangle prism on the top, and then add it together. Okay, so that's the type of thinking you're going to be doing in this lesson. That's the big picture.